Bral, running shot using the glass, offensive rebound. Umikot using the glass, good for two. Makinig lang, pass to Sabit. Sabit, sasalaksak yan, lace up, ilista mo na yan. Using the ball, nakuha na nga ni Sabit ang bola, pass to Santiago. Santiago, accelerate, pass to Maclang, good for two. Ihuli yan, pass ni Mr. Sabit. Number one, muna. Ikaw kay Mr. Sabit, libre sa 3, bang! Sabit, ring! Saging, bounce pass kay Sabit, pinalik, basket count and 1. Basket count, foul number 9. What a shot, Mr. Sabit completed a 3-point play. Within 40 seconds. Pass to Sabit, Sabit. Good for two. Sabit. Coast to coast. Nice speed. Santiago using the glass. Iisang amoy ng dalawa na yan. Under a minute. Sabit for three. Bang! Sabit. Three. Shot clock is off. Nice move. Good for two. Gamit na ka ng bola ngayon. Bully pass, Sabit. Pinadirible yun. Hook shot. Ganda naman na yun. Kaya ngayon, Santiago sa 3. Bang! Santiago. Ang bola. Pass to Santiago. Santiago, same spot. Bang! Same result. Kita sa Santiago. Santiago sa 3. Pasa pala yun. Kay Mr. Sabit.
Na-foul?
3 points. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Tolo pass. Basket count and 1. Okay, basket count. Foul number 9. Illegal use of hand. For the shot awarded. Santiago looking for the right. Shot clock. 5 seconds. Sabit. Pamatay sunog lagi. Sabit 3 points. Santiago. Santiago. Running shot. Ilista mo na yan.